Hello and welcome to Infinite Learnopedia channel. This video covers artificial intelligence. Let's learn about AI. What is artificial intelligence? Let's first understand words artificial and intelligence. Artificial is made or produced by human beings. That means it is man-made. Intelligence, the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills, that is thinking power. This is artificial intelligence. Now let's take a look on the definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, is a wide-ranging branch of computer science concerned with building intelligent machines which can behave like a human, think like humans, and able to make decisions. AI is a wide range, a big branch of computer science, and it is concerned with building smart machines which behave like human, think and make decisions like human beings. Let's understand the main point of AI. In AI, you do not need to pre-program machine to perform tasks. Rather than in AI, you have to create a machine with programmed algorithm which can perform tasks with its own intelligence. This is the main thing to remember in AI. Now, I hope you understood the word artificial intelligence and the definition which explains the term artificial intelligence. Let's see some example based on AI. Number one example is smartphones. Smartphones have become the most indispensable tech product that we own today, and we use it almost all the time. Well, if you're using a smartphone, you are interacting with AI. So the AI features such as built-in smart assistants. This is the first example of AI in smartphones. One more example under smartphones is portrait mode in the camera. So AI is impacting our lives every day. When you are using a smart assistant, whether it is Google Assistant, Alexa and other, these assistants are based on AI. Now let's move on to the second example under AI is smart home devices. There are smart thermostats which adjust the temperatures based on your preferences. Another example under smart home devices is smart lights that change the color and intensity of lights based on time and much more. Third example is smart speakers. It can be used for sending quick messages, setting reminders, checking the weather, and getting the latest news and many more. So there are many examples which can be listed under AI like smart cars and drones, social media feeds, video games, banking and finance, healthcare, e-commerce, and the list of AI examples goes on. That's all for this video. Before ending this video, I want to share world's first robot hotel, that's Henna Hotel in Tokyo, Japan. Don't forget to hit the red subscribe button, like and share this video. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos on AI. Have a wonderful day.